After my visit to Microsoft headquarters in Redmond, Washington, a lot of you asked me to tour the Microsoft office in Chicago. Well, you asked, and I delivered. So there are two Microsoft offices in the Chicagoland area, but I visited the one that is in downtown Chicago. Microsoft occupies a few floors in the AON building, which is right across the famed Millennium Park. Now, to get to the AON building, you can walk outside, but if it's rainy or cold, you can take Chicago's Pedway, a system of underground tunnels. There's a lot of fast food, few-story malls. You can walk right past Macy's and stained glass art, and finally end up right in the lobby of the AON Center. After checking in with the security guards, I take the elevators to the main Microsoft floor and take a picture with the signage. Cheese! As I walk in, I see a lot of booths and desks where people can have their lunch or have meetings. I'm greeted with a beautiful view of the Millennium Park. That's when a robot speaks to me. I realize that this office is also like a museum. I wonder if it's because there are a lot of salespeople in this office compared to the number of software engineers, and they want to demo Microsoft products. There are demos scattered throughout this floor. One room looked like a shop and shared Microsoft's contributions to retail and the supply chain. As I continue further on my journey, I see several large meeting rooms and monitors that share Microsoft's AI's contributions to farming. Some rooms are more public with a lot of desk space. There are also tiny kitchens where you can grab a free drink. There's a room dedicated to Microsoft's contributions in healthcare. So this room was cool because it sort of looked like an IKEA hospital showroom. I could see graphs that you can create with Microsoft tools. They even had a fake patient. Moving ahead, I see the main auditorium where a lot of events take place, including Microsoft's Family Day. That's why you see a lot of kids running around. I assure you, they aren't the ones running the place. But then again, you never know. They get younger and smarter every year. Then there's more supply chain demos, IoT, and smaller robots. But the best thing about the Chicago office? They love me here. Look at all these kids working very hard to create a Miss Paws paper circuit. Well, that's all I have, folks. See you next time.